put two hands on my biceps. Okay, I'm gonna pung, lift, and then on. Okay, so you're gonna sink the chi. Yeah, relax, sink the chi all the way to the feet, and then you're gonna pung up, and then give me an on through the bicep. Oh, yeah, boom. Yeah. Okay. Yep. So here, I'm going to start to unlink and link the joints in. So here, I'm going to link the joints in. I'm going to unlink, floating, and then sinking. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. So these are all actually kind of built into your building the ball. You open and close. Yep. So down, gonna on, and then